Sita, and I will continue for the next part, methodology. Before that, let me introduce some terms that I'll be used so that we're familiar with it. Number one, correlogram, also called ACF plot, is a visual way to show serial correlation that changes over time. Number two, lag. Lag is a fixed amount of passing time. Number three, PACF to determine the order of AR and SAR. Number four is ACF to determine the order of MA and SMA. Let's continue to the methodology. These are the steps that will be used to determine the model. Number one, investigation of actual data. This step is to plot the actual data of positive, recovery, and death incidents by using the line chart. Next, ACF and PACF will be plotted. If the correlogram shows decreasing pattern, it is ARIMA. Meanwhile, if it shows wave-like pattern, it is SARIMA. To confirm its stationarity, the ADF test will be tested and the p-value must less than 0.05. If it is more than 0.05, it must undergo first differencing for ARIMA and seasonal differencing for SARIMA. Performing first differencing and this seasonal differencing. The first order differencing and seasonal differencing were performed to remove the trend and make the data stationary. A DF test once again will be used. From the correlogram, estimation if past parameters can be met by looking at the number of lag and significant spikes in ACF and PACF to determine the order of AR, MA, SAR, and SMA. So for the positive incidents, we get ARIMA 414, recovery incidents, SARIMA 9011 211, and death incidents, SARIMA 202312. Number three, performing identification of models. Simple assumption by looking at the spikes and output of ACF and PACF on the models in the step 2 might be inaccurate. Thus, several possible models of ARIMA and SARIMA will be specified and tested for diagnostic checking. Number four, model validation and diagnostic checking. In this step, the models will be compared in terms of DW, Durbin-Watson, AIC, and BIC result. The best model is the one that has the lowest value of AIC, BIC, and non-serial correlation in DW. The last step is selecting best fitted model among the ARIMA and SARIMA models above. Based on the table, the best fitted model for positive incident is ARIMA 111, and recovery is SARIMA 101, 111, and that is SARIMA 103, 211. After performing all these steps, we can forecast the data and get the result of forecasting COVID-19 pandemic in Selangor for May, June, and July. Result and discussion will be presented by Sharifah Wanur Azrin. With that, I end my presentation. Thank you.